सुख दुखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभो जया जयो ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पाप वमाप्यसि। तुम सुख या दुख, हान या लाभ, विजय या पराजय का विचार किए बिना युद्ध के लिए युद्ध करो। ऐसा करने से तुम्हें कोई पाप नहीं लगेगा। This aptly describes Raman Srinivasan. He is Sthiti Pragya. I've seen him, one of the most serene personalities that I've come across. I have known him for over 3 decades. He is a votary of knowledge on any subject. A terrific sense of humor, a tremendous capacity to laugh at himself, and he clicks well with almost everybody that he meets. But yes, there's a disclaimer, he does not suffer fools. And that's a unique quality. You should not suffer fools. But he did suffer fools in his career, which was a necessity. But now he is lucky, effective 7 July, even this will come to an end. He has got a checkered career in Indian Oil. He was one of the brightest officers we had. And when he resigned from Indian Oil, it was totally IOC's loss and SR's gain. I can go on and speak at length about Srinivasan, but suffice to say that he's one person I treasure in my personal life, knowing him, understanding him, and having him as a friend. I wish Srinivasan the very best in his new innings. May his family, himself, and all of us who know him be in eternal happiness. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody, and hi, Raman. I have been asked to speak because I'm told that you're retiring. Actually, really? Because every time we reach this stage, and then we figure out that people cannot do without Raman. Because Raman, you're very knowledgeable when it comes to the petroleum industry, whether it is technical services, whether it is quality, whether it is aviation, whether it's ethanol. I mean, you're a warehouse of information, and I think it's not very easy for anybody to let go of you. But I think it's time that you relax. At the moment, I understand you're with your mom, as we last spoke. I hope she's doing well. And your family is also based out of somebody in Canada, somebody in Australia. So probably this is the right time to, get back with the family life and enjoy, do a lot of traveling. I know these are difficult times because, what I thought I would do after I leave Nayara, I'm still waiting for the right time to come. But I'm sure you'll be able to catch up. So about you, I just want to say one thing is that you are very knowledgeable. You have a fantastic sense of humor, and you can put everyone to ease. I've never seen you lose your cool. I don't know if Winford or Rakesh or Prema or any of them have any such thoughts about you. But I think you're a cool guy, and you're a cool boss too. And I've also seen that you're a very, very good boss, and you're very considerate when it comes to your people. And that really is a very, very important thing for a person. I believe in being very human and being very empathetic with people. And I have seen you being that with most of your team members. It's not only the oil industry knowledge. I've also seen you that you have a lot of knowledge about the little tidbit things which keep happening in and around Nayara, which concern many of us. And it's interesting to know some of them. So Raman, on your birthday, first and foremost, wish you a very happy birthday. And secondly, I would like to say that all the best and stay healthy. Keep finding out new medicines for all of us, and follow your passion. And I wouldn't say goodbye because I know we'll keep in touch. So all I can say is all the best. Do well.
Today is Sri Ramanji's day, and I wish him very happy birthday. Sri Raman sir and I joined SR, now Nayara Energy, around the same time. After the joining and going through the initial formalities in Mumbai, we both went to various operating locations to know more about the company. Subsequently, I was posted at Jamnagar and Sri Ramanji remained in Mumbai, but we used to interact and meet in various forums. From the earliest day of our interaction, I came to know about his deep understanding of the various subjects and his interest in homeopathy and cosmic healing system. Fondly, I used to call him Dr. Raman. Dr. Raman has lot of qualities. He is extremely professional, hardworking, strategic planner, team player, and has a very systematic approach to perform his responsibilities. His mind is always brimming with new thoughts, and he always brings creative ideas in all the business papers and plans. Success and failure are part and parcel of our work life. Sometimes it's high and sometimes low. But the memories of working with an inspirational friend and colleague like him is altogether different experience, and I personally enjoyed. On this momentous occasion, I wish him very happy, healthy, and safe life ahead. And I assured him that I would be constantly in touch with him for all the times. God bless Sri Raman sir and his family. God.
Hi Raman sir, have a good time ahead. We will keep in touch and we will meet many more times. But for time being, all the very best to you. Take care.
Hello, sir. So, it's been a long association with you. There is something small that I've written for you. Always ready to explain in a language so simple and plain. While we got lost in parameters, you helped understand test methods. New cookie sark, you were ready to lit a spark. So confident born that sought all the problems of a con. VG10, VG30, you challenged all of it like you were in your 30s. Innovative KPI of power, you lit up every bottom line tower. Your cool and patience always helped in building equations. These are few bit that we can think of, but we're going to miss you much more of it. And most importantly, your yummy idlis that we have relished over years and years, we're going to miss all of this, all of it. So all the very best for your coming years, and we'll stay in touch. Thank you.
Ramanji, you are my friend, my guide, my brother, a teacher, and of course, time, my boss. The lunch time, the arguments, debates, brainstorming, everything will remain like in our memories. With frogs during school days. We'll keep you occupied with homeopathy and cure using vibrations
across
during your
continents will be
dead life. Loved ones. May God bless you and fill you with peace and joy. Thank you.
Hello Srini, congratulations on your retirement. It's been a lovely journey that I've had with you, starting from the day when I joined SR and how easily I could gel into our brunch group because of you and the wonderful moments that we have spent together. I would always remember your humor, your experience, and the guidance that you would always give me when I used to tackle difficult situations at work. I can very well say that you've been an old guy with a very young heart. Thank you very much for everything, and let me tell you that you will always be missed, but never forgotten. Have a great life ahead, Srini. Thank you for everything once again.
Good evening, everyone. In fact, Raman sir is the one who has interviewed me before joining SRI. I joined SR in 2008. Then we had a very small aviation team. I was deputy QCM. Raman sir was quality control manager, and Winford was accountable manager. So, in other words, I was reporting all QC related matters to Raman sir, and matters other than QC, I was reporting to Winford. So this was basically a small cohesive team which I used to enjoy a lot. And 2014, another development took place. That time what has happened is technical services was merged with, aviation was merged with technical services. So then onwards I had to work very closely with Raman sir. All those years, what I have noticed is Raman sir has got an exceptional understanding of the subject. Moreover, he is a great orator, and he has excellent sense of humor also. So because of all these exceptional qualities, he could get along with anyone, and he could express any complex matter in a easy to understand language. It will be difficult for anyone to fit into his shoes. I am sure he is looking forward to having great time with his grandson. Wish him a happy retired life.
रमन सर नमस्कार। आपके साथ बिताए हुए जो मोमेंट्स हैं, पल हैं, वो हमें हमेशा याद रहेंगे। हम लोग चाय पे बहुत सारी चर्चाएं करते थे और वर्क से रिलेटेड भी बहुत सारी बातें करते थे, डिस्कशंस करते थे, वो हमेशा याद रहेंगे। और आपके बारे में मैं एक बात तो ज़रूर बोलूँगा कि आपके पास जो नॉलेज है और जो एक्सपीरियंस है, और उसके बाद जो आपका जो डिस्पोजिशन है, आप जिस तरह से आप इंटरैक्ट करते हो और कभी भी किसी के साथ आप इंटिमिडेटिंग आपने पोस्चर नहीं अडॉप्ट किया। ये एक कॉरपोरेट में तो एकदम ही रेयर क्वालिटी है। और आपकी स्माइल, वो तो $1 बिलियन स्माइल है और हमेशा आपके साथ रहती है आपकी स्माइल, जो हम लोग के लिए एक लेसन है कि आप अपने लाइफ को कितना सादगी के साथ आप लिए हो और लेते हो। अभी तो लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हम लोगों का फिर वर्क प्लेस पे मिलना नहीं होगा, लेकिन हम लोग मिलते रहेंगे। वर्क प्लेस के बाद भी, अलावे भी हम लोग मिलते रहेंगे। सर, मैं आपसे ये बोलूँगा कि आपके अपने लाइफ में जो भी और इच्छाएं हों, एम्स हों, भगवान उसको ज़रूर पूरी करे। आपको सदा खुशी मिले और आप खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, आपके परिवार सभी लोग स्वस्थ और खुश रहें।
Raman sir, here is to new beginnings. There is never any retirement. We will always remain in touch with you. It has been lovely being in your company. You are an excellent human being, and thank you for everything that you've done for us. It's been a great lunch group we had and a great coffee group. I've learned so many things from you, and I wish to remain in touch. We'll all be in touch. All the best to you and your family. Regards.
Hey Dr. Raman, my dear old young friend. So finally the time has come. Yeah, what to say, parting is never the happiest moment in life, but that's the reality. People meet, spend time together, share their feelings, discuss their thoughts, learn from each other and move on with life. So Roman, you are the senior most of our lot, and I found you a very caring and concerned person and a good friend, a guide, a philosopher. It was always a pleasure to learn from you, and I always have a disrespect for you. Thanks for all the guidance, support and care that you have given me during the time I worked with Nayara Energy with you. So now finally the time has come, and you have to move on to the next phase of your life. So I wish you all the best for your health, to your wife, for your family, and you should enjoy this particular phase with all the health and happiness. So we'll connect again, so whenever it's possible. So wish you good luck. Thank you, Raman.
Happy birthday, Raman sir. It was a blessing that I got a chance to work under you for the last few years. We will miss your knowledge and experience. You will be missed but never forgotten. Wish you a wonderful retired life. Wish you all the best.
Good afternoon, sir. On behalf of my family and myself, I wish you a very happy birthday and all the best for your future plans. It was indeed a great experience to work with you. Your inspiration, your motivation and persistence will always act as an energy source for my life. Thank you for being there as a guiding light.